So Mama decided to cook for us. Mama, what is this?
Blini.
Blini, yeah. So this is our mother's recipe. Like that. It's very thin layer. Like it's in, like they call it pancake, right? In American.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
But the pancake is thick. Russian pancake is thin. Like this.
Thin together. Thin.
Thank you, Mama.
It's okay. Papa take care, don't worry.
We are making salmon pelmeni,
Yeah.
fish pelmeni.
Yeah.
Ну что там тут такое прикольное?
Fish dumpling, Russian fish dumpling.
Handmade.
Russian dumplings, by the way, eating with sour cream, not with the oil like Chinese dumpling or vinegar. Because the Chinese dumplings eats with vinegar or oil. Russian with sour cream. This is very uncommon for Singapore. This is with salmon, dumpling with salmon.
Okay.
Try. It's just delicious. Huh?
Okay.
It's very delicious, right?
Like restaurant.
Yeah, like restaurant quality, yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks to chef, yeah.
I satisfied.
Our Russian chef.
Yeah, Russian chef, our Russian chef. I think deserve to serve in the restaurant, you agree?
Nice.
Yeah, very delicious, yeah.
I'm very glad.
Mm.
Sour cream?
No, she want butter. Yeah.
Okay. So it's Mama's first time to try pelmeni vegan version from Impossible.
Очень. Yeah, so first time trying Impossible.
Нет, я-то пробовала раньше, магазинные просто.
Не, это именно такое ты не пробовал. Это первое, другое веганское мясо. You want fish? А? Да не eat fish. Take fish. Take fish.
Papa? Papa?
Чё, как?
How's it taste?
Delicious.
Is
Is
it-
it fully plant-based?
This one tastes like meat or like vegan?
Very similar.
Yeah.
Yes. It is true.
Yeah, like real pelmeni, like
Да, как настоящие
real
пельмени, да?
meat pelmeni. So Mama like this. Yes. Wait, maybe we should
I like it.
like this. You see, like meat.
Like meat.
Okay.
Ну, видишь, она американская. Please. Compare, let's compare, yeah. Fish and Impossible, vegetarian. But like a real deal, right?
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Even my mom impressed, yeah. Which you like more?
This also nice.
So which you win or both same or
I think both same.
so like both deserve, right? Okay.
Even some juice pop up.
Yeah.
That's all when I bite.
Yeah.
Yeah.